Hello all, this is a 1995 XR600 Street Legal that I purchased that had a side stand repair that was less than desirable. Mechanically it held, but the angle was all wrong. I had to put some 4x6s, as you could see earlier in the video where it was propped out all funky. Got my pal Ken Miller here prepping for the TIG on the frame. Here he is backfilling and adding his fillets. That's underneath the underside of the carriage of the bike there. We brought another XR600 I had over to the shop so that we could compare the angles of the bike resting. There's a nice shot of the repair. Then a nice overview of the overall stance of the bike without the engine in it. Thanks for watching.